Sure. Dapat susunod sa master plan. Huwag ka magpapatira ng tao doon. Kasi pag nagkarpentero yung mga tao doon,
Wala
gumawa ng hotel,
na.
hindi na aalis. Magta-tricycle na, umuuso.
Ganun na nangyari.
So, dapat nakatira sila sa Katiklan. Meron kang murang ferry. Pabalik-balik. In
So,
fact, pwede mo
limited
nang
the
ilibre yung ferry ngayon. Basta lang maganda palagi yung isla. Then you can jack up the prices. Di ba? Yun ang wow Philippines.
Yan ang wow.
Hindi lang pera. Ngunit tinataas mo yung kultura through regulation. Pangalawa, yung
Which
tourism
is
promotion board,
environmentally friendly.
nilagyan mo ng pera, 500. In the law, pagka ikaw environmentally friendly yung ginawa mo, meron ka pang tax deduction dyan.
Aba, no?
Parang carbon credits.
Aba, no? Ang ganda, no?
Tapos yung tourism enterprise, yung
Nasusundan ba ngayon yan?
yun ang ipopromote ko eh. Hindi pinopromote eh. Dapat ma-promote yan. Ako, duty ko yan as a Filipino. Kahit na mag-aalit sila sa akin, kahit na matuwa sila sa akin, salamat. Pero ang gusto ko lang, sayang naman yung batas, pinaghirapan na natin, andyan na, to make tourism number one in their country. Sundin mo lang yan.
We have so much room to grow.
I would like to go out. I would even go out with Bertie. I'd go out with the President if he wants to. And I will talk like I did when I was in Subic.
Yes.
Sinasama ako ni President Ramos or when I was in tourism.
Promote it.
Ipopromote ko, ito yung batas. In fact, sinabi ko yan doon sa mga lawyers the other day. Kinuha ko ng Accra Law na lecturer. Na-lecture ko yun sa mga lawyers. Uy, hindi namin alam yan. Ang ganda pala ng batas na yan.
Oo nga. Ako ngayon ko lang nagugulat ako
So
ngayon.
sabi ko, pag ginawa nyo yan, swak tayo.
Swak na, swak.
Now, you can now go to the law. And what does the law say? The law is what I just told you. Di ba?
Correct.
Di ba? Malinaw, di ba?
Malinaw. I know some places, for example, here in Anda, in Pangasinan, I found a beach
100
called
Islands.
Condol. Right, Anda, correct. It's the one. It's the biggest 100 island. It is so serene. It's so real. The environment is fantastic.
Correct.
And then there's this beautiful white beach in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah.
I mean, how pretty this country. Wow, Philippines talaga ang dating.
Yeah, pero-
ganun lumalabas eh.
Pero paano mo dadali ng turista doon? Sige nga.
Hindi, maganda na kalye.
Mahal. Hindi. Parang nasa island eh.
Nilagyan na ni ito si Fidel Ramos sa Puto Bridge. Yung season bridge ni relocate.
Alright.
Gumanda na.
Halimbawa, punta ka halimbawa sa...
Infrastructure ang
Do you
kulang
know
hotel.
that Palawan has 1,500 islands?
I heard that from
That's
someone
one-fifth
just
of the
recently.
country.
One-fifth of the
Alright? So, under the law,
Puerto Princesa.
under this law, kung si Harry Tambuatco and Company invest, maglagay ka ng master plan, sabihin mo gagawa ko ng 4 na hotel dito sa islang ito, magdadala ako ng plano para maayos, may sewage, may tubig, may lahat.
Yun, protected properly.
Naglalagay ako dyan ng tinatawag na, let's say, kung walang tubig, desalination like they do in
Yes.
Malaysia.
To create clean drinking water.
So, you have no tax for 6 years and extendable kung hindi mo pa nababawi.
Ba, ang galing. Ano?
Okay? And you can bring in boats tax-free, helicopters and airplanes tax-free, provided it is used there.
For that.
Buses tax-free.
So, benefits.
When you go to Maldives, hindi ba, pagsakay mo doon sa boat, may Haponesa na nagsisilbi sa'yo.
Maganda.
Ang ganda ng boat.
Ang ganda nga ng
Because kasama yan. It makes the tourist feel he is a prince.
Correct.
So, kailangan
Maldives
maayos ka.
creative tourism. And to think, most of those hotels, puro Pinoy yun. Nagmaman doon sa mga hotels na yan.
Precisely.
Puro Pinoy yan eh.
Pati nangungulot doon, pati nagmamanicure, Pilipino.
Pilipino.
Correct. Now, isipin mo ito. 10 million tourists equals 10 billion US dollars. Can you count?
Yes. We win away OFW income,
Pinapadala
which is not
natin.
20 billion. Ngayon, 20 billion na yan eh.
I will give you a slogan. Ang slogan ng Pilipino is FFF.
I wouldn't want to say what the F. Sige, go ahead.
Dirty mind ka.
Sige.
Ganda in India. Dirty.
Ganda. Sige. FFF.
FFF means Find Future Filipinas.
Find future Filipinas.
Find your future in your own
the
country. Right now, FFF, negative. Ano yan? Find future foreign shores. Punta ka doon, mag-maid ka doon. Why?
Baliktad,
If you build up tourism here, lahat yan, even the kid, ngayon, kung ikaw magaling kang bata, gusto mong mag-guide, tinasabi ko sa mga bata ito, gusto yung trabaho kagad, ngayon pa lang, habang napinapa-aral pa kayo ng magulang niya, mag-aral kayo ng Hapon, mag-aral kayo ng Koreano, mag-aral kayo ng Chinese, tapos mag-aral kayo ng history. Tapos, lagay mo yung pangalan mo, professional tourist guide in several languages or Japanese specialty. He will teach you. He will accompany you. $200 a day.
Ganda.
Ginawa ko sa Israel yan.
Ganda.
Israel, ginawa ko yan. Sa England, ginagawa ko yan. Kinukuha ko yung professor para pag pumunta ako doon, lahat ng dapat ko matutuhan, natututuhan ko.
Tama nga naman.
Okay, tama. Sabi siya, pwede ka pa eh.
Maganda. Do you think this government is not interested in tourism?
I think it is.
How about GMA in the last 4 years.
Well,
If we are, why is it only our tourism growth today
you have
is only
to
2.1
you have
million
to
visitors?
you have to swallow your political plans eh. Kung ang political plans mo, i-uplift ang tao, and you have 6 years to do it, seryosohin mo na. Because sa akin, katulad sinabi ko, education number 1, agriculture, para kumain.
Yes,
Kasi
yes.
yung agriculture,
Kailangan mo yun eh.
kung farmer
Self-sufficiency.
ka, ikaw, tiga hulo ka, sabihin ko, oh, farmers, maglalagay ako ng isang isla dito sa Sulu, yung pinakamagandang island, yung white sand. Dadalhin ko turista dyan, domestic muna. Dadalhin ko sila hari tambuhat ko, dadalhin ko lahat yung mga siga.
May commerce, para may commerce.
Tapos, kukunan ko kayo ng trabaho dyan, Pero, babantayan natin yan. Siyempre, may mga nakabantay dyan. Tapos, mag-i-enjoy doon. Yung durian mo, benta mo dyan.
May
Yung
commerce ka
isda
na.
mo, benta mo.
dyan.
Magkano sa 5-star yun?
Malaking bagay.
Export value
export
in your
value.
own country. Hindi buhay ka.
Buhay na buhay.
Di ba?
That's true.
Pwede o piro di pindi? Di ba? Pwede. Pwede. Yan ang gagawin ko yung slogan kung ako nasa hulo. Pwede, piro di pindi.
Pwede, pero
Bakit? Ano siya yun? Pwede lahat gawin, pero dipindi sa iyo.
dipindi siya.
Di ba? Ayos ba?
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, we've got Senator Richard Gordon with all his little antics, but he's doing that because he comes on so strong with his ideas because of his confidence and his passion being one and the same. Hindi pwede, there's no more time to be shy and laid back and sitting in the back. No, you want to get something done, you go forward. But being a politician that he has to be, sometimes you have to be careful because the camera is harsh. Or people understand it on the other side. You that are watching, minsan,
Yabang.
Yabang ang dating.
Yabang.
Pero, as he says, as you tell me, tama ka, kung may pagyayabang ka, sigaw mo.
Blow your horn.
That's right, there's nothing wrong.
Di ba,
with it.
kita mo nga, sabi kasi, ang bata, anak, huwag kang tatayo dyan sa harap, Pag may bisita, tumahimik ka. At saka, pag haadaan ka sa harap, para ka may, nakayuko ka.
Tsaka that is so wrong!
Diba?
That is so wrong! That is so wrong!
Sino turo sa inyo yan?
Uh,
Sino turo sa kanila yan?
Yun na nga.
Nung araw tayo,
Yung araw.
pag nagmano ka, hindi katulad sa Espanya, o kaya sa London, o kaya sa Pan, when you kiss the hand, you kiss the hand. Aba, tayo hindi pwede. You're Indio, dito ka.
Indio ka. Yung pala, Indio ka. I didn't see it that way.
So, yun ang
Indio.
sinabi.
You kiss the hand.
Ginagawa ko yan. When I say this, maybe there's a little bit of license in exaggerating things, but I want Filipinos to learn that they can do anything that they want, provided they're focused, they're fast, they make it friendly so that people will understand them, they're flexible, and they're always forward-looking. F. 5 F of Dick Gordon. Focus, fast, friendly, flexible, forward-looking. May quiz tayo mamaya, may quiz.
Wala na, this is no longer a campaign. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to have to end the show in a little while, but before we do that, I'd like to give a couple of minutes. Your message to all the viewers, Senator.
This is a great country, my countrymen and women. Tayo hindi tayo dapat kumopya at hindi na tayo dapat maging walang kumpiyansa sa ating sarili. Look at our people. They are forced. Sila na mismo ang gumagawa ng kanilang diskarte sa ibang bansa. Ang Koreano po, tinulungan natin. Narinig nyo na ito. Pero ikukwento ko sa inyo ang nagpalakas sa kanila. Durug sila, isa lang ang tulay na matapos ang gera. Tinulungan natin, namatay ang mga Pilipino dyan. Pero ngayon, ang Koreano, ang daming tulay doon sa Han River. Minimum of 29 hanggang 40 ang tingin ko dyan. Every time I go there, nakikita ko. Ang Koreano, gumawa sila ng kanilang natawag na Pohan Steel. Ngayon, gumagawa sila ng barko. Alam ba po ninyo, sa Subic ngayon, there are $5 billion worth of orders na nagawa na sa Subic sa barko. We are now the 4th biggest shipbuilder in the world. Pero, tiga-welding lang tayo. Tiga-welding lang. Wala tayong mga naval architecture na pwedeng gamitin. Hindi tayo gumagamit. So, in other words, you can do it right in our own country if we want to. So, ang sinasabi ko lang dito sa tourism, pag sinabi natin yan, yan ang pinakamabilis po. Hindi nyo kailangan nag-aaral. Ako po, ang magulang ko, first year college si Papa, nanay ko, na hindi ako nakatapos ng high school. Pero saan kami nakapag-aaral? Dahil maraming Amerikano Subic ng araw, hindi kami nagtayo ng nightclub. 4 na restaurant ang tinayo ng nanay ko. Magaling, air-condition, masarap ang steak, masarap ang serbisyo. Tourism yan. At pinagdikit-dikit yan. Naglagay siya ng piggery. Yung tapos sa restaurant, pinakakain sa kaning baboy. Tapos, anong nangyari? Meron kaming rock gas, yung LPG. Meron kami sasakyan. Magkaroon kami ng hotel. Nagkaroon kami ng sine. Napaaral kami lahat. Ako, nadadagdagan ko allowance